Now it sounds like a hodgepodge of I don't know what in the hell I need. I just need somebody to come in here and take it all over because I'm at wit's end. That's what it sounds like. So that I'm for a little bit of clarity from the other person, it's just figure out what you can do to give them some value. And really, I think the easiest thing you could do right now is go set up a damn email list, man. Create some set of form or something. Do it a Google form. Do a Google form. They're free, right? Go to Google Drive, create a Google form to where all it is you're getting their email, their name, and their phone number. Name the form something like I don't know, my such and such business network or whatever in the hell it is. Something basic. That form will auto-populate to a sheet, right? Build yourself a nice little list, nice little spreadsheet of the people that you're already following or that are already following you. You got 25,000 daily impressions, right? You got 25,000 daily impressions. You ought to get a few of those people to click the link and sign up. If they're doing that every day, it will take you a very minimal amount of time to build up a real list. Once you have a list of a few thousand people, then you have something worth somebody coming in for.